So good morning dear students. So I am Abhishek Rokde. So today you are going to be learn that which topics you are going to be learn in the second year PUC in the mathematics subject, and how the marks are going to be distributed, and in the topics which concepts that you are going to be learn. And today I am going to be highlight you, and this syllabus is having a not the reduction, it is having 100% syllabus, because the next year we don't know whether they are going to be again deduct the portion or not. So because of that purpose only we are going to be highlight you, and we are going to be teach you, I'm going to be teach you the 100% the syllabus. Okay, and in the 100% syllabus you have so many topics are there. So as one by one I let you know about the topics. Okay, the first one, the topic you are going to be learning is that is a relation and function. In the relation and function you have the types of the relation. The types of the relation is having a reflexive, symmetric, transitive, and these including reflexive, symmetric and transitive, that is called it as the what, the equivalence relation. Here you are going to be learn about the what, the types of the relation. It's very important because in the question paper they are going to be about the 1 marks or the 3 marks the question they are going to be asked. And the next one is in the relation you are going to be study. The next one is having the function. Already you have been studied the relation and function in the previous year. In the function you are going to be learn that 1 function, onto function, and inverse of the function, composition function, and their properties and the examples. So here the inverse of the function is taking very important role. Here 1 and onto function and inverse of the function, including we called it as the what, the invertible function, and that question is going to be asked for the 5 marks in the examination. Okay, so it is about the what, the types of the function and the binary operation. This is a new concept for you for this year, and the binary operation is having properties like associative, commutative, and identity, and inverse with the examples. So here in this the topic relation and function you are going to be learn so many examples, and that are so many types of the examples. Okay, the next one is about the what, and this is a depending on the what, the previous one, the chapter, the relation and function. The next one is about the what, the inverse trigonometric function. So in the previous year already you have been studied what is a trigonometric function. Here it is what, the inverse trigonometric function. So it is a very similar to the what, the trigonometric function. Here also you are going to be learn the domain and the range of the what, the inverse trigonometric function. So in the trigonometric function you have the 6 trigonometric function. Those are sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. So here also you are going to be learn its inverse, means that is sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, sec inverse, cosec inverse and the cot inverse. Okay, so I let you know in the while explaining about this topic what is the inverse trigonometric function. So here you are going to be learn the domain and the range of inverse trigonometric function and its properties, and the graph of the inverse trigonometric function, and here the solution of the inverse trigonometric function, and here the conversion of the inverse trigonometric function with respect to right angle triangle. So here also you are going to be learn so many examples. Okay, it's a very simple topic that you are going to be learn. So if you know it very well about the trigonometric function, and it will be so easy for the second year. Okay, the next one of the simplest the topic you are going to be learn is the matrices. Okay, so matrices, so this is all the algebraic the section you are going to be learn. In the matrices you are going to be learn the types of matrices. The types of matrices is having column matrix, row matrix, rectangular matrix, square matrix, zero matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix and unit matrix. Okay, here in the types of the matrices, they are going to be asked for the 1 marks. So next one is about the what? The algebra of matrices. The algebra of matrices containing the concepts are like equality of matrices, addition of matrices, multiplication of matrices, scalar multiplication, and transpose of matrices, and having addition, multiplication, and scalar multiplication and transpose of matrices. So here in the multiplication of the matrices is going to be high, is going to be asked in the exam for the 5 marks. So I let you know on which topic they are going to be distribute the marks among the marks. Okay, in the next we are going to be learn that one only, and this is also very important topic, that is matrices. The next one, the one more property you are going to be learn is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So this is also very important concept. The next one, the properties of skew symmetric, that I let you know that how the properties of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, the next one is also, it's a very important, that is the concept of elementary row and column operations. So in the examination they are not going to be asked it for the column operations, but the row operations they are going to be asked. That is called it as the ERT, that is elementary row transformation. That is for the 3 marks fix in the examination. Okay, that I let you know while teaching the topic matrices. Okay, the next one is about the determinant. So the determinant is depending on the previous chapter, that is matrices. Here it is having up to 3 cross 3 matrices. Here also you are going to be learn its definition, expansion, and the properties are very important in the determinant. On the properties of the determinant they are going to be asked for the 4 marks. Okay, and the matrix multiplication, sorry, the which one it is, the okay, this one, the inverse of a matrix, the definition of singular matrix and non-singular matrix. And here the matrix method is a very important for the 5 marks. The matrix, the use the linear equation using the matrix method. Here the properties and the matrix method takes very important role in the determinant. Okay, the next one is about the calculus part, is having what is in the calculus you are going to be learn is the continuity and differentiability. In the continuity, the previous year you already have been studied about the what, the left hand limit and the right hand limit. Okay, here we are going to be learn, instead of LHL we are going to learn the LHD and RHD, that is left hand differentiation and right hand differentiation. Okay, so continuity is also very important, that you have been already studied in the previous year. The continuation of that the limits is nothing but here we are going to learn in the continuity. Okay, that problems and the properties I let you know in the class. Okay, the next one is about the differentiability. Already this topic is also have been studied, not in briefly but little bit you have been studied in the previous year, that is having what, the first derivative test. Using the first derivatives test, differentiate y is equal to cos x sin x, like that. So on that basis only you are going to be learn the differentiation. Here you are going to be learn the formulas of the differentiation, and some types we are going to be learn is about derivative of, derivative means that is nothing but differentiation only, the derivative of composite function, derivatives of inverse trigonometric function, and derivative of implicit function, and logarithmic differentiation, and parametric the differentiation, and second order derivation, second order differentiation. So in the previous year only you differentiate that equation with respect to x time for the one time. Here you are going to be differentiate for the two times. Okay, second order derivatives, and the Rolle's theorem and the Lagrange's mean value theorem also takes very important role here. This Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem for the 3 marks fix in the examination. Okay, so it's all about the what, the syllabus is about the 100% syllabus. Okay, not about the previous one your senior one studied. Got it? Okay, the next one is about the what, the application of derivatives. In the application of derivatives, the application of derivative means the application of the differentiation. Okay, in the application of derivatives you are going to be learn about the tangent and normal. Here you have the so many examples you are going to be learn, and derivative as a rate change, rate change with respect to time we are going to do here. Increasing and decreasing function, maxima and minima function, and approximation. Here so many types and interesting examples you are going to learn in the application of the derivative. The next one is about the what? The integral. This is also the new concept, and this is also the new chapter you are going to be learn for this year. This is a new concept, very interesting to be learned. It is what the integral is nothing but the reverse process of the previous one, that is the differentiation. It is the reverse process of the differentiation is nothing but the integral. In integrals also you are going to be learn the so many problems, so many examples and so many formulas you are going to be see here in the integrals, and the most of the marks in the exam are going to be highlighted from the integrals and as well as from the differentiation. Got it? Okay. And I let you know about the list of the formula of the integrals, and here also the types of the integration you are going to be learned, that is integration by partial fraction, and say integration by substitution, integration using trigonometric identities like that, and integration of the some particular function. So these are all the what they are given. The integration of dx by a square plus x square minus x square, root of x square plus a square, root of a square minus x square. These three, 1 2 3 are for the what? The 5 marks derivative you are going, the 5 marks the formula. The next one, the problems of the integration like px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c, and the same one like the root of ax square plus bx plus c. These are also are having for the 3 marks question or the 5 marks question. And integration by parts, here also this is a very interesting the concept you are going to be learn for this year. Integration by parts is having a formula integration of u into v into dx that you are going to be learned while teaching. I let you know that how to do the integration by parts, and here also you are going to be see so many examples to be solved. Okay, that you have the types of like integration e raised to x, f of x plus f dash of x, that is the formula we have that I let you know while teaching. And the integrals of the types like root of x square plus a square or x square minus a square plus x square minus a square minus x square, that is root of a square minus x square. These are all the for the 5 marks questions. These are the both are the 5 marks. Next one, the definite integral. So definite integral means that the integration is having a order and it has some limit. Okay, so here also you are going to be learn the properties, the 7 properties you are going to be learn in the definite integral, and those 7 properties are very important for the the 6 marks. Okay, the 100% they are going to be asked among the 7, they are going to ask it for the 1. And the next one is about the application of the integrals. So as like the application of the derivative how you studied, no, here also you see the application of the integrals. The applications are like area under the curves, and area of parabola, area of circle, area of ellipse, and area bounded by the two above said the curves. So many examples also. And application of integrals is this topic is for the 5 marks. 100% the 5 marks question is going to be 5 marks plus 3 marks, the 8 marks are from the the application of the integral. The next one is about the differential equation. This is also been depending on the integration and the differentiation. Okay, then formation of the differential equation we are going to be form using the uh, differentiation, and solution of the differential equation is using the integration. Okay, here we are going to be see the in the differential equation like order and degree, general and particular solution of the differential equation, formation of differential equation, solution of the differential equation. And here in the solution of differential equation we have the separable variable method, and reducible to variable separable method, and homogeneous of the differential equation of first order and first degree. And we have the LDE method, that is linear differential equation, are the types of dy by dx plus py is equal to q, and dx by dy plus px is equal to q. So this type, the dy by dx plus py is equal to q, or dx by dy plus px is equal to q, are for the 5 marks. That is a linear differential equation. Got it? The next one is about the what? The topic is the vectors. Okay, this is also the very important topic that we are going to be learn, and I let you know that how the marks are going to be distributed in the vectors. Okay, in the vectors you are going to be study some basic the definitions, and we have the direction of cosines and the ratios and types of the vectors, and component of vectors like algebra of vectors, the multiplication, addition, subtraction, and triangle law, parallel law. Those are the very important here for the 3 marks: parallel law, triangle law, and properties of the addition of vectors. Next one, the dot product. Dot product is also, that is a dot b is equal to mod of a mod of b into the cos of theta. That we have the formula or the definition of the what? The scalar product or the dot product. And the vector product or the cross product, that is also we have the definition: a cross b is equal to mod of a mod of b sin theta into unit vector n. And the scalar triple product is for the what? The 4 mark they are going to be asked every year. Okay, the box product of vector a b c. Okay, that I let you know how the concepts are going to be highlight. Okay, the next one, just I let you know how what are the concepts in the syllabus they have been given for you. Okay, the next one is about the what? The 3-dimensional geometry. Already you have been studied this one in the what? The previous year, that the section formula, and the section formula is also you have been studied in the previous year. Okay, so in the 3D geometry, we are going to be study about the space and the plane, and here in the straight lines in the space you are going to be learn the derivation for the 5 marks, as well as for the 3 marks the examples they are going to be asked. In the 6th derivation they are going to be asked 100% in the what? The examination. Got it? So in the straight lines in a space you are going to be learn the Cartesian and vector equation of. Here you are going to be study about the what? The Cartesian and the vector, the equation of a line in a space that is passing through a single point and the 2 points, and the coplanar and the skew lines. Those are the what? The equation of line in a space you are going to be learn. Distance between the 2 skew lines, distance between the 2 parallel lines, that I let you know which are the skew lines and the parallel lines while teaching you, and angle between the 2 lines, and the problems related to the above concept. These are all the what? The derivation you are going to be see, and among that derivation you have some basic examples also. Got it? Okay, the next one is about the what? The plane, and in the plane also you are going to be form the equation of line, the vector and the Cartesian equation of plane in a normal form, and equation of plane passing through a given point and perpendicular to the given vector. And the next one is about the what? The equation of plane passing through non-collinear points, and the intercept form of equation of plane, angle between 2 planes, and equation of plane passes through the intersection of the 2 given planes, and angle between the 2 lines. So and in place of a space, here you are going to learn about the what? The plane. So it is having some different formulas and different derivatives. Okay, this is about the what? The plane you are going to be, and the derivation among the space and the plane they are going to be asked one derivation for the 5 marks 100%. Got it? Okay, this is the what? The like the last one, the sorry, not the last one, this is the what? The LPP, linear programming. Already you have been studied the previous year about the what? The linear inequality. Okay, the linear inequality about the what? The 2 equation of line, 3 sorry, in 1 equality, 1 inequality, 2 inequality equations you are going to be see here. Linear programming problem we say in LPP they are going to be asking the examination for the 6 marks, along with the what? It's a graph. With the helpful of the graph we are going to be find whether that the objective function is a minimum or the maximum. Okay, for the 6 marks we are going to be study, and for 1 marks they are going to be asked the 100% from the definitions. What is the feasible region, feasible solution, those are all that we have some basic definition. On the definition they are going to be asked it for the 1 marks in LPP and 6 marks for the part E, that is 100%. Okay, this is about the what, the linear programming. The last one is about the what, the probability. Already in the previous year that you have been studied about the what, the probability. Okay, so here you are going to be see some different types of the probability, like conditional probability and multiplication theorem, independent events, Bayes theorem, and theorem of total probability and its problem, and probability distribution of random variable with its definition, and some examples you are going to be study, and mean and variance of random variable and its problem. These are all the type 5 marks of the questions of what the random variable, the mean and the variance of the random variable. Got it? Next one is about the what, the Bernoulli's trial. The Bernoulli's trials and the binomial distribution. These are two concepts are for the 5 marks. Here we are going to be study its the definition as well as its examples. These are all the for the what, the 5 marks. Okay, this is about the what, the syllabus about the what, the PU2 you are going to be study this year. So this syllabus I will send you in the group also after this watching the video. Okay, and how the design of the question paper. See, here we have the weightage to content. See, the first topic, relation and function, is for the 11 hours of the teaching and 11 marks. Inverse trigonometric function is for the 8 hours of the teaching and 8 marks. Matrices is about the 8 hours of the teaching and the 9 marks. Determinants is for the 13 marks of 13 hours of teaching and 12 marks. Continuity is about the 19 hours of teaching and 20 marks. Application of derivatives is about the 11 hours of teaching and 10 marks. Integrals are about the 21. See, in the difference already I told you that the continuity and differentiability and integrals are taking very important role in the mathematics. This is about the 20 marks and this is about the what, 22 marks. Application of integral for the 8 hours of teaching and 8 marks, and differential equation is about the 9 hours of the teaching and 10 marks, and vector algebra is about the 11 marks of teaching and 11 marks. 3D geometry is about the 12 marks, 12 hours of the teaching and 11 marks. Linear programming is about the 7 hours of teaching and 7 marks. Probability is about the 12 hours of teaching and 11 marks. So total the teaching hours is also 150, and total number of marks they are going to be asked in the question paper is about 150 hours. See how the pattern of the question paper is having. So this one you leave, better you go for the this one. This is about the what, the blueprint of the what, the question paper. How many 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks and 4 marks. The questions are going to be asked from the which particular topic they have been distributed here. Got it? That you have to see it properly once. This one is also, this whole the syllabus and the question paper pattern I will send you in the what, in the group also, that you can make it download. If you have any queries regarding this, then you can ask me. Okay, so thank you very much, students. And by the next I am going to be start, that is one of the easiest chapter, that is the matrices. Okay, this chapter I am going to be start in the what, in the next class. Okay, this is about the what, here we have, that is matrices. I will start in the next class. So thank you very much. If you have any queries, then you can ask me through the call also. Okay, once you make it download after sending this one in the group also. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you.